General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, chart work for the day. Today's Thursday the 13th. Framework phase expansion. Daily stance engage. Confidence is medium. Conditions confirmed for the weekend day. Price delivery signature seen. Time theory confirmed kill zone. So those are all the reasons to engage. Anchor point confirmed. I thought Wednesday would hold, but the anchor is Tuesday. Day expectation Tuesday. Expansion plan up, yes. Terminus hit today. No, it looked like it can go higher on Friday. NASDAQ. Strong bullish day. PPI came in pretty good. That pushed the CME Fed watch chance of rate hike down. So inflation is looking amazing. We got this nice rally today. So PPI reduced Fed hike risk. That was the main catalyst. Falling treasury yields. That's transmitted the catalyst into NQ. So that's the 10 and the 2-year AI check plus individual stock strength. Amplified the NASDAQ move. So it's like saying this. I think Workday was rallying. It was a bunch of stocks. Bonus oil fell 2%. That helped inflation. So we're getting all this good news. Go here. After this move, it's been it. And that's something about summertime. You trade to open and go home. After that first move, price just does nothing. Summertime protocol has been trade to open and log off. N15, not really much. Pump and done vibes. SPX, basically the same thing. Just had that pump. All-time high begets new all-time highs. So we can look for even higher prices tomorrow. This is interesting, that pullback. It's not on NASDAQ, not as significant. This is way bigger. NASDAQ kind of consolidated that push. But even seeing this was like, oh, NASDAQ stronger. Let me go try to get it on NASDAQ. So that helps looking at multiple things. This provided a tradable pullback for the PM session. Slowly getting back up there. I think we finished the week strong. This rally is supported by tech. Last time it was just SPY by itself. Looking at 785 next, just round numbers. And video was interesting. It was only a doji, not really strong like everything else. It's still my target though. I'm still bullish. Story hasn't changed. We actually got the pullback to the area I was looking for. I should have traded this down, so just waiting for it to come. But now I'm interested in buys. You can like do some order pairing, maybe run this low and then buy up. But I'm cool with this pullback if it just starts buying right now, just from this gap. Engagement is the buy from the morning after the open. You can see just the news was good, everything's lining up. Gap and gold, open range gap day. This was a scratch. Then I got back in here, partial here, and closed it all the way out here. Then this is the PM session. I seen it pull back on SPX and traded it over here. It's this almost end of day. Took off most of right before this. It was like an EO high or that high created at the morning. Took off through here. Thought we would go higher, maybe rally the close, but after this it was reversion of mean, so I got out here. Did the framework play out? Yeah. We did good flipper buys because I was thinking we was gonna go lower, but it's so obvious. Like go with the strength, and tomorrow I think we can continue tomorrow. Just nice strong week. Got to give Trump something good to talk about for the midterms. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.